Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke and Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and minding our business. And baby, not necessarily in them full orders. So if that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notification bell, okay? Like the video, share your 2 cents with your comments down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. All right, so in today's video, as you guys can see, it's our favorite videos on this channel, and this is our cash stuffing paycheck, baby, okay? And this is paycheck number 3. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so went to our favorite bank, well, our Navy Federal account bank. I went to my bank at Navy Fed. It's been really good. I've had this bank account since I've joined the military. Like, it's been a long periodically time that we've been together. And they gave me my first credit card, which started the problem. And then, yeah, and now here we are, you know, getting it back right. Okay, so we're going to count up how much money we got, how much we're cash stuffing today. And we're cash stuffing 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. Bro, why do I feel like I'm not counting right? Like, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 205, 210, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so we're stuffing $214. I was like, why do I feel like I'm not doing this right? Just feels so weird. Okay, and everybody is in the right direction. That is not what I was talking about when I was saying that. Definitely in my head I was like, everybody was kung fu fighting, yeah. I was definitely doing that in my head. Make sure the 5s are good, and then the 1s. And y'all, these bend up dollars, bend up. All right, so here we go, y'all. I'm a little tired because I don't know what I'm on, but I have not been sleeping, and I just haven't been sleeping. I just wake up and I'm up, and I'm like, girl, what is you on? But anyways, y'all, let's do the cash stuffing. And if you guys weren't here for yesterday's budgeting, then go ahead and check that out. But we are cash stuffing my what's this thing called? My cash envelopes, which is my part of my everyday binder as well. So we are cash stuffing these little babies right here. So I am going to start. So Tides is being cash stuffed. Well, it's not being cash stuffed. It is yo, I don't know what is happening. I gotta be extra tired or something. But whoa. Okay, Tides gets $76, but it's in the bank account, and that gets automatically transferred, or EFT, so I don't have to do anything with Tides, but I will update the tracker just so I know that I've put money into that. Groceries I'm actually going to do last because I want to check something to make sure that this is good. I'll make some adjustment on my budget actually, so I'm gonna do groceries last. Next is gas, and right now gas has 50, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, and 93, and we are adding $60 to gas, and I'm gonna do 2 20s and 2 10s. Okay, so that's 20, 40, 50, 60. Alright, so now gas has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 51, 52, 53. And y'all might be like, oh my god, that's way too much money in gas. Listen, okay? Next month I'm going to be driving a lot, so what I can't do for family visits, gas can help over here. So it might look a lot now, but wait until next month, y'all. Then we're going to see. Allowance, I don't even know why I'm giving myself $10.25. I'm going to put 25 cents on here. Matter of fact, let me write it. So I'm going to put a 25 cents in here as that I got it. But the $10, I'm actually going to switch to my groceries. So for $4.15, because that's when this check was, when I got this check, we're gonna do a deposit, like I said, of 25 cents. So this has 25 cents in there, and y'all spent it. Probably put it in savings or something, but it's gone. It's gone. Let's just say that it's gone. So the 25 cents is here. So matter of fact, I'm gonna just do the 415 spend, because I don't even know on what. And then minus $0.25, and so back to 0. So that is gonna be allowance. I'm gonna put that there. Next is household, and household right now has 10, 20, 25, 20, 26, and $27 in there, and we're gonna add $20 in household simply because I don't know what I might need, but I might need something, so let's do that. So now household has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, and even when I leave here and go to Korea, even though I will be living in a dorm room and I won't be paying for stuff, I still gotta pay for cleaning supplies and all of those. So toiletries, definitely yes. Not toiletries, but household, definitely yes. Y'all, when I tell you this sleepy is sleeping, this sleepy is sleeping. I don't know what is going on. Well, I know what's going on. My brain is not thinking, but my mouth is just saying stuff. So toiletries has 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and $39. And in toiletries, we are adding $10 in there, so we're going to do a $10 bill. So now, toiletries has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So we have $49 now in toiletries, which is good because Shark Week is coming up and I need some help. But yeah. Oh, pre-Shark Week is coming up next week, y'all. So that is going to really be when I am tested the most, because that's when majority of my symptoms happen, where I feel like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do nothing. I just want to cook. Not cook, but I just want to eat. I don't want to have to cook it. Like all of those happens during pre-Shark Week and like the first couple days in Shark Week. So once I'm able to get through next week, that will be the test, y'all. That will be the full-on test to see if I am like staying in budget or if I can do what needs to be done. All right, so next is hair care, and you see the $100 bill. She don't need nothing. Okay, go on somewhere. So she's not getting anything this week because it's just, like I said, not necessary. Nothing's in necessities. Really, I should take this out because this is like giving me an outing when I overspend, and I was like, I need to take this out. But yes, and then the last thing we have is back to bank, but we're not putting anything back to bank. So now we have groceries, and originally I had planned to put $114 in there, and so literally what I'm gonna do is put the remaining amount of money that is here in groceries. So in groceries, I have nothing, and I'm adding 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I'm adding $124 in groceries because, like I said, putting in an allowance just doesn't make sense. Mainly what I'm going to do with it is eat, so I might as well just put it in groceries. So $124 got put in groceries, and that is my cash stuffing, y'all. I'm going to take this and put it right there backward in my bag so that we have it for all the things. I'm going to put her right here back in who? In Katie, okay? So this is my everyday bag that I bring to work. Put her right there back, and that is how we rolling. And cool. So yeah, guys, that's it for the cash stuffing. This budget, because I'm doing the 70, 20, 10% rule, it didn't call for any of my other envelopes to get anything because we had already stuffed those. So that's why we got to where we at right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave your 2 cents with your comments down below, okay? And share this video with a family, friend, or a foe, because get into it, y'all. Thank you guys once again for your support, for being here. And I was looking at my analytics, it was like 61% of y'all ain't subscribed. Come on now. They was like, oh, they watching, but they ain't subscribing. What? Hello? Get into it, okay? But you know, free will, so if you do enjoy the content, go ahead and subscribe, like I said. Yeah, and as always, what do? we eat. Financially, mentally, socially, physically, emotionally, whatever it may be. All of the above. I hope you achieve your goals and we eat. Okay, so that is it for the video. My name is Aneke and I will see you guys in another one, but I don't know if it's tomorrow for this one. Let me see what is happening. What's happening? Hey, oh, I'm supposed to see y'all tomorrow. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, guys, have a great one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.